Hey everybody, I'm Gokul from Restoration Brokers of America. So the other day I had a call with my client. We had a call about 6 months ago and we valued the business. We did a complete analysis of the business. And I recommended, I said, let's just call him Bob. Okay, I want to keep it confidential. So I recommended to him, I said, Bob, you're doing a lot of hard work. You may be burnt out, but let's try to get some wind in your sails. And you're in the tipping point where all your hard work is going to pay off. Let's not go to market right now, okay? And let's wait another year and a half to take to market. That was about 6 months ago. So I just had a call with him the other day, and his exact comments to me was, hey Gokul, thanks for your feedback. My business is booming right now. So what is the point of that story, right? So the point is, a lot of times when people call us, or when you think about exiting your business, is really on the downturn. Because life is tough as an entrepreneur when things are going down. And that is really not the time to sell your business or even think about exiting your business, right? When everything is going really good and the business is humming, it's clicking on all the cylinders, that is when the value of the business is the highest in the marketplace. So timing is really critical. I would say out of every 100 calls that we get at our firm, probably 80% of it is folks calling us when the business is on the downturn. And when it's on the downturn, it's really difficult to sell the business. Okay, so timing is really critical when you're trying to exit. As always, I'll be happy to connect with you. You can reach me at www.rbasells.com.